Well, hey everybody, Sam Billhorn here with Whitetail Partners, and in this video I'm going to give a brief introduction to GIS mapping and how it is a very powerful free tool that you can get from your county's website to get high quality maps, topographical images, and other data to help you better learn your land, scout, and plan your habitat and hunting features. Appreciate you watching, and let's jump right in. Well, you can start off at your county's website. You can also do a Google search here. In this case, I did Sauk County GIS. So Sauk County is the county my hunting land is in. But type in your county and go out there. What you're trying to find is your land information landing page for the county website. Often it'll have different names, like in this case it's called Tax Parcel ID. And what we're looking for specifically is this GIS tax parcel site. Once you click on this, it's going to send you to an interactive mapping program. And within this you have many different layers and maps and features that you can do. So it's a pretty intuitive site, but basically two major features I want to direct you to. One is base mapping. In this case you have lots of different maps you can select. I'm going to pick the topographic map. This turns on the 10-foot interval layer, which is typical for a topo map. But there are additional features that make these maps that much better, and that usually can be found within your layer list. In this case, the layer list is a button here, and I'm going to select contours and shaded relief. And what this is, shaded relief removes any satellite image and just gives the contour of the land in a shaded format. Some of these have a heat map style where it's different colors for the topography features, and scrolling in will zoom in on a property, and it can be a little slow. There's a lot of information to load, but once the topography layer clicks in, you'll see that these are usually 2-foot topo lines, which it is zoomed out makes it very cluttered, but the intent of this is to zoom in and have that image refresh, and then you'll have a much clearer picture. Here we have 2-foot topo lines, and with the shaded relief gives you a much better look in hill country of what's going on, saddles, ridges, outcroppings, as well as benches, and all these different features that we're looking for on a hunting parcel. I'm going to click over to a lowland parcel now in a different county to show you an example of that. Well, here I am in a different county website GIS mapping program. This is Columbia County in Columbia County, Wisconsin. The lowland area, which I just randomly selected here with a stream bed drainage, and you'll see just a couple topo lines. These are 2-foot topo lines, but in a lowland setting, that can make all the difference. And as I switch over to show an aerial image on top, you'll notice that just that couple foot of elevation makes a completely different habitat. So as you can see, whether it's in hill country or in lowlands, there's many benefits to having high quality topo maps at your fingertips here in the GIS mapping program. Well, that's GIS mapping in a quick nutshell. In future videos, I'm going to give more layers, tips, tricks, and the tools that exist within these programs to help you better learn your property, scout it for habitat and hunting opportunities. If you have questions or would like to contribute to the conversation or show your experience, please leave a comment. Otherwise, I want to thank you for watching. I'm Sam Billhorn with Whitetail Partners, and I want to help you design your property for hunting. Thanks.